Welcome to Manitoba Construction Sector Council's and SWS's training Intro to Heavy Construction. So we today are at River Osborne Community Centre, and today our students, you can see in the background, they are doing flag person training, which is very exciting for them. Things are going really well. So this is the last week of about a 4-week course, and students have got a lot of hands-on training as well as a lot of classroom training.
And keep driving forward. There you go. Okay, lift it up and dump it out.
Today we're at the Red River X grounds and we're just moving piles. About the skid steer, you have to make sure nothing's leaking. You got to make sure all the gauges are good for fuel, transmission fluid, oil.
More. I came here to learn the machines because I've known nothing about the machines and I've always wanted to. So this is a really good opportunity for me.
So far there's only 2 ladies and all the rest are guys and we're chilling. Everything's fun. My hopes are to able to get a job quickly as I can and work my way up. And I want to do better and be better.
Know my grandpa, Ray Flood.
Today we had 11 students out from Manitoba Construction Sector Council that have been taking the heavy equipment course for training. And we wanted to give them a tour of the quarry. So they're drilling off that shelf there, and that's where our next blast will be. So they put the little cones down, and then that's where they fill the emulsion.
I was brought in here by my caseworker with jobs on market here, and something to the effect of a Hail Mary. I feel like it'll be the start to my life. Plenty of jobs in demand in construction. I feel like it's a good step forward.
We are here at the Freight House on Isabel. We are doing a job readiness program for gentlemen at this point in time that are looking to get into the drywall construction business. And we are just doing a couple small projects here, trying to do the basics of drywall hanging as well as mudding and taping. If you go down like that, you rip the paper, see?
It's been going pretty good. It's pretty fun, there's lots to do, keeps you busy as well, and you learn a bunch of new skills and trades. We're going to be doing some drywalling projects and starting on the walls here, getting them all drywalled off, building all the holes and taping them, making sure nothing is visible, and getting the room ready for the painters next week.
It's been amazing. I've learned a lot so far. This is actually my first time in a trade and I am enjoying it a lot. This is definitely going to help me because it makes my resume look better and I have a little bit of actual experience for the job that I'm applying for, so it gives me a little bit of a step up.
I'm more hands-on learning than book reading. With my disability, because I have ADHD, so I like being hands-on more. I love it. It's a lot of fun, made new friends, and got a lot more skills.
My name is Isan. I am Canadian Yazidi Kurdistani. I came Canada still 2021 very hard way, immigrant way. But still Canada now my home. I'm safe. Just I need to find nice people to gonna give me chance to find my future. This is good start for me. Yes.
I want to thank the Manitoba Construction Sector Council for providing us this course or this training. Yeah.
This is called a cage, right? And that's the sleeve. Okay, here you go.
We're here painting at the Freight House. We're currently in the biggest multi-purpose room they have in door 1. I was unemployed for about 4 months before I found this program. I knew somebody at the Manitoba Construction Sector Council. They told me what they do, and I was like, all right, I need a job. That's how I came for training.
I find it soothing because I get to work by myself, and obviously I like to listen to music as I concentrate. It feels very independent, and I'm a big fan of it.
I'm here at 1986 St. Mary's for MCSC doing my practicum with inside-out painting. This is week number 2. We've been responsible for everything on the top floor here so far. We've siliconed the baseboards, patched all the nail holes, we've started sanding them, and then I assume we're going to start painting once we've done all the patch repair work.
We are here at Trappers Transport, painting, getting everything set up, ready for Wajax to move in. They definitely helped me get out of my comfort zone and proving to myself that I can do more than I thought I could. So yeah, they definitely helped me get out of my shell, for sure.
People want a job, but they need an opportunity, they need a skill set. So giving them that opportunity and helping the community out at the same time really bridges what this is all about.